How to get streaks on TikTok. Welcome and let's get right into this tutorial. To get your streaks on TikTok, you need to launch a TikTok application in your mobile device. Make sure that your TikTok app is up to date and you're logged into your account. You will find the streak option in your inbox where next to your friend you will find a streak icon just like your Snapchat. So you get the streaks when you message constantly with the person. To enable it, head over to your profile. Then at the top, tap on the three horizontal lines to head over to settings and privacy. From here, scroll down and tap on display. If your application is up to date, you will see an option of streak. Just toggle on the option next to streak. That is how you'll be enabling streak for the conversation. Now, if the option is not available for you, check for an update in your Play Store or App Store in the case of an iOS device. Search for TikTok, and if there is any update, leave your app for an update. Also mind it, you have to maintain the streak, which means you constantly have to text, video message the person to maintain a streak. And it's a wrap for the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.